best funny AI generated video that will make you question reality. Is what you just saw real or was it made by AI? Because this day is getting harder and harder to tell. AI technology has advanced so rapidly that it can create videos so convincingly, so lifelike. You swear they came from a world news broadcast, a live event, or even a private moment captured on camera. Faces, voices, and action that never actually happened are now being crafted pixel by pixel, making it almost impossible to distinguish fact from fiction. Celebrities can say things they never actually said. World leaders can appear in places they never visited, and totally made up scenarios are shared as if they were breaking news. This new wave of AI-generated content is not just about creating believable videos, it's about bending reality, twisting stories, and sometimes just making us laugh with absurd and hilarious results. In this video, we are diving into the most jaw-dropping, funniest, and downright showreel AI-generated videos that are flooding the internet videos that will make you question what's real, what's fake, and what just pure digital magic. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a chance to see the wildest AI creation the internet has to offer. What are AI-generated videos? Let's start with the basic. AI-generated videos are clips created using artificial intelligence tools that can mimic real faces, voices, movements, and speech. Instead of hiring actors or animators, you just need a computer and some clever prompts. These tools can turn text into visuals, clown voices, and even lip sync audio onto another person's face. Think of it like a deep fake, but instead of scaring people, we are using it to create comedy, satire, and pure online chaos. What makes it wow is that many of these videos look so real. We are talking about presidents playing video games, celebrities doing mukbang, and cartoon characters running news broadcasts. All thanks to free or cheap AI tools. How are these funny AI videos made? So how are these hilarious videos made? The process usually involves combining three types of AI tools. Number one, text-to-video AI tools. Websites like PK Labs and Runway ML allow you to tap a scene and watch it come to life as a video. Number two, AI voice generators. Tools like 11 Labs or Vocify.ai clone the voices of famous people. Number three, deepfake or lip sync tools. Platforms like D-ID, Synthesia, or Agent let you match those voices with real or animate faces. You upload a photo or choose a preset, and the AI moves the lips to match the voice, making it look super well. Most creators stitch those steps together, write a script, generate the voice, apply it to a character, and render the video. All without touching a camera. It's fast, funny, and freakishly accurate. Famous examples that will crack you up. Number one, AI-generated bunnies on a trampoline. An 8-second AI-generated video featuring bunnies hopping on a trampoline went viral on TikTok. Amazing, over 201 million views. Initially believed to be real, viewers were later surprised to learn it was entirely computer-generated. The video sparked discussion about the increasing realism of AI-created content. Number two, AI created Donald Trump rapping. A viral video where AI makes Donald Trump rap popular song in a funny and bizarre manner, mixing politics and pop culture humors. Number three, AI deepfake Michael Jackson dancing in a modern music videos. AI has been used to recreate Michael Jackson's ironic dance move in contemporary music video, blending nostalgia with showreel humors. These AI-generated videos bring the king of pop back to life in unexpected ways, placing them alongside modern artists or in completely new settings. Why are these videos so popular? There are three big reasons. Those videos are blowing up. First, they tap into familiar faces. Seeing someone like Elon Musk dance the K-pop is funny because it's so unexpected. It's meme-worthy and it's instantly shareable. Second, they are super easy to make. You don't need to be a production crew, just an idea, some AI tools, and a few minutes. Third, they break the rules of storytelling. You can put SpongeBob in a courtroom or Joe Rogan on a spaceship and no one question it because it's AI. The absurdity becomes entertainment. It's a mix of text, culture, and internet humors all matched into one. How can you create your own funny AI videos? Let's say you want to try this for yourself. Here's a simple free way to do it. Step 1. Write a script, make it funny. Think of it a bizarre situation like Mark Zuckerberg become a barista or Darth Vader on TikTok. Step 2, clone a voice. Go to voicey.ai or fakeyou.com. Pick a celebrity voice, upload your script and let it generate. Step 3, make the face talk. Use D-ID or agent to animate a face that lip sync it to your audio. Step 4, add video effects optional. Use CapCode or One-Way ML to add effects, subtitles, and music. Step 5, post it, upload it to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. Those videos often go viral, especially if your idea is funny and weird. Tips to make your AI videos even funnier. Here are some quick tips. Use contrast. Put serious people in silly situations like I stand doing a cooking tutorial. Keep it short, 15 to 30 seconds is ideal for maximum laughs. Add memes, layers, trending memes, or sound for more engagement. Be timely, use current event to make it relatable. Surprise the audience. Add unexpected punchline or twist in the dialogue. Comedy thrives on surprise and AI lets you control every second of that surprise. The risk and responsibilities of AI videos. While this tech is fun, we also need to be careful. Fake news and misinformation are growing fast. So what can you do? Always label your video as AI generated. Avoid harmful impersonation. Don't spread false info for clicks. Be creative, but stay responsible. AI is a tool, not a weapon. AI-generated videos are wild, hilarious, and sometimes a little bit spooky. But that's what makes them so amazing. If you are ready to dive in, try out the tools we covered and have a blast creating your own. Just remember to keep it ethical and respectful. If you enjoyed this deep dive into AI video magic, smash that like button, subscribe for more fascinating and quickly AI content, and don't miss our next video, how to manage multiple accounts on any website without getting banned, a total game changer for content creators. Thanks for watching, and always keep this in mind, if it looks too strange to be true, it's probably AI. And see you in the next video. Peace, bye.